This video is just going to cover a couple of odds and ends things that I had to do. I don't know if you looked at my past videos. I had a senior dog that I had to put down to sleep, and it was pretty painful, but I got a new puppy, and he's been a handful, but he's pretty fun and cute, and I had to build a little pen for him, so I'm going to talk to you about that, a place to keep him safe on the deck so he could go to the bathroom. That's him. His name is Beau, but this is going to be how I made the pen, in part. So I'm making a puppy go to the bathroom enclosure, and I do it on the deck because it's a lot easier than taking him way down there and getting whatever is down there in him, all kinds of bugs and animals and stuff. So I'm building this, and it will go right here. So it'll be this wall here and this wall here, and then that outside wall and that outside wall, all covered in this green mesh, and the puppy won't get through that hole. So if they do, I have hardware cloth back there that I could put on in addition to this until they get bigger. And I don't think they'll get through there though. We'll see. So this is the pen that closes, keeps him in. I just did it with zip ties so I can, over there too, so I can take it off. And he's little, so I put this top on it because there are flying birds. There's falcons around here, there are eagles, and I don't want him snatched by an eagle. I don't really leave him outside here alone, but there may be a point in which I do, so I don't want him gone. So that's it. I think it turned out pretty good. It works. That's the most important thing. I use this hose to rinse it off. He just goes to the bathroom right there. He's been doing great with going to the bathroom. So, he's 15 weeks old now. So he's still little. He's still under 10 pounds. And as far as going to the bathroom on the ground, I can't put him on the ground until after he gets his final booster shot, which is tomorrow. So we'll be able to put him on the ground. So we're not going to be worried about getting parvo. That seems to be the biggest issue with puppies. Okay. So it's fall, and we have had torrential rains and had a major leak through this skylight. And as much as I enjoy the skylight because it lets a ton of light in where I have no windows on the walls, on the outside walls, this is not fun when it leaks, and it's leaked a couple of times. So I finally decided, okay, I'm just going to totally redo it. So hired my guys, who I use all the time, who are great. And they came and took it almost all the way down to, they took it all the way down to the wood. And they found out that the wood was in great shape. It's just that the previous guy who put the metal on the roof, it was shingles before this, the previous guy that put the metal on the roof, he did a lot of patchwork and glued it up and stuff, but it just wasn't enough to hold it during a torrential rain. So I'm hoping this works. But this is the process that we went through.